So on the estate planning side, the thing that makes us different is that we try to create a really affordable estate planning package. Many attorneys charge crazy fees for setting up an estate plan for people, when really everyone, no matter how much money you have, needs some sort of estate plan, because unfortunately we're all gonna die. And having a plan in place that allows you to know that there's some sense of security and knowing that, hey, my family's gonna be taken care of, those I love are gonna be taken care of, and I'm not gonna be a burden after I go, is something that everyone needs regardless of how much money they have. So on the estate planning side of things, we have really set up a fee structure and set up our services to be accessible to everyone, to where whether you have very little assets and just need to figure out, hey, what's gonna happen to my house? Or what's gonna happen to my kids? We can set up an estate plan that's very affordable and tailored specific to those needs. Where on the other end, if someone owns multiple properties and has a lot of assets, we are structured and we have the ability to be able to protect those for them, to set up LLCs and do really creative estate planning solutions that can help people with more assets and people that have a lot of property that they need to have protected through an estate plan. We're structured to where we can help anybody on this scale, whether it's having little to nothing or having a large amount of properties and assets, and it being affordable for anybody across that scale. One of the main starting points to estate planning is creating a trust. And our trust packages are very inclusive of anything someone would need near the end of their life. And it also helps protect their assets while you're alive. And so our trust package can be a great option for a lot of people. And as we meet specifically and talk about people's individual needs, we can determine what trust package and what documents need to be included to help them protect their legacy now and after they pass. My favorite part about being an estate planning attorney is being able to have people that know what they want. People come in and they know that, hey, I need something to either protect the assets that I have now, or I need to figure out a way to get what I have to my kids and have it not be a burden for them. And being able to come up with creative, individualized solutions for everybody, regardless of their situation, is a great experience. Being able to sit down with someone who knows what they need but doesn't know how to get there, and being able to explain everything in a way that they're really involved in, where they have a lot of say, and we explain everything in a way that makes sense, to where they leave and they could explain it to someone else, and they can explain it to their kids and those who they're leaving things to, of, hey, this is how it's gonna happen. This is what's gonna happen when I die. Here's the forms that you need, and here's what they do. And being able to educate people and just see them learn is a great reward of being an estate planning attorney. I love being able to see people come in confused and not sure, knowing that they have an issue but not sure how to solve it, and giving them the tools necessary and giving them the services required to be able to really know that I'm protected and I got exactly what I needed, and I wasn't even sure what that was at first. And that is a really gratifying part of being an estate planning attorney.